Hello, yes, my name's George.
My name is Andy Scott.
Hi, I'm Alex Sykes.
Whenever I talk to people and say, oh yeah, my job's working on underwater robots that go hundreds of meters down underneath the sea and weld oil and gas pipelines, people are always amazed by that.
I've always liked robots, and we've got some of the biggest robots ever really here. So, we've got 15-meter tall robots that lift pipes up. We've got massive robots that can do undersea welding.
What we do, the skills that we're learning, can be applied in multiple different areas. There's so much potential that we have. There's nothing I think we couldn't do. Yeah. Bold statement, I know, but